How often should I review my HVAC warranty? You should review it when you buy the system, once a year, before major maintenance, and whenever you plan a repair or replacement. Start by finding the warranty documents, registration information, and installation records. Check how long the parts, compressor, heat exchanger, and labor are covered, because these periods may be different. Many manufacturers require you to register the equipment soon after installation, and missing that deadline can shorten the coverage. Also check whether yearly professional maintenance is required, since skip service can sometimes cancel certain protections. Look for rules about approved technicians, original replacement parts, proof of purchase, and transferring the warranty if you sell your home. A useful detail is that the warranty often covers a defective part but not the technician's labor, refrigerant, shipping, or a service visit. Write the expiration dates on your calendar and keep invoices, maintenance reports, and repair receipts in one folder. Before approving expensive work, ask the contractor to confirm in writing whether the warranty should pay for the part. A common mistake is assuming the whole system has one warranty, so compare coverage for each major component. Another mistake is waiting until the system fails, so review the terms before trouble starts and learn the required maintenance schedule. People also forget to register a replacement part or document service, so save every receipt and ask the technician to record the model and serial numbers. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.